Jo here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a live trading account in Oanda. So to do this is pretty simple. As stated right here, you can open a live account with Oanda Global Markets using this. So you have to go to the official website for registration, select your country of residence, fill in your personal information, confirm your citizenship, fill in your residential address, and fill in your employment status and financial details. Then they will review it and confirm your details. So I have done this already in the past video. You can go check that out to open one. So here, let's say you live in the Philippines, and let's just go ahead. So you'll place your name right here, and then let's just place random names. So date of birth is going to be important, and let's just do random ones. So I already filled this out last time, so you can go check out that video. It's just going to be the same type of interface. So let's just say you're born in the United States. Your email is random. Your phone number will be also in the United States. So I'm not sure how much numbers is that. Okay, so probably just like this. There you go. And then confirm and continue. But of course, they're going to check in with your email address if it's possible to use this. And there you go. So your citizenship, you'll have to select here. And let's go with United States. And you want to enter your tax identification number, of course. So are you a tax resident in this another country? If you say no, you can confirm continue. And then here you want to place your address and many much more. Then they're going to ask your employment next from there. So once you've done that, they're going to verify your identity and you'll be able to open a live account with Oanda. It's just that simple. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and of course, don't forget to subscribe.